Hi guys! I got the chance to try out this cool little crochet tool. It's used to help reduce tension in your hands while you're crocheting. Looks like that. So I'll show you a quick clip of me using it and kind of explaining how it works. You basically thread the yarn through this little loop right there, and you can adjust the tension with this knob at the top, and you basically just thread your yarn through there and then back through the little loop that you started at originally. And after that, you can start making your chain. And it took a little trial and error, at least for me, to play around with the tension, but it really isn't that difficult. It could take maybe like 10 seconds to find the right adjustments. And then once you start, you can just like start chaining and you know, starting your project, which is really, really simple. The other way is to use it to make a magic ring. And to do this, it's very similar to how you do the chain. Like you thread the yarn through that loop and wrap it up at the top, but then this time you're going to turn it around, and if you can see, the back has this nice groove over here, and it allows you to stick your hook in there to help make those single crochets in the magic ring, which is really easy. If you've seen some other methods of doing the magic ring, you know that you have to like wrap the yarn around your fingers. It can get very confusing, but this tool just makes it very simple, and I really like that about it. And you know, me personally, I don't have any like accessibility issues, but you know, maybe for people whose hands are less like mobile or less flexible and you know, maybe hurt more easily, this tool can also be helpful for that, because again, you don't really feel any of that pain in your hands. You also don't have to hold it very tightly. It very like, it fits your hand pretty well and it stays there. And like, this is me just like loosely holding it, and it's not really like going anywhere. So it's a really cool tool. It definitely helps to release that tension in your fingers, and I really suggest that you guys go try it if you can, and let me know if you like it. And yeah, thank you.